I love the story where the Honorable Prime Minister last year in his Ramzan package decided not to use utility stores as the distributor of the Ramzan package and subsidy. The question and the onus came up to us, and under the leadership and absolute dedication of the Prime Minister, without which it could not have been quite literally possible. I'll tell you why. Because जब उन्होंने कहा कि जी think of an out-of-the-box solution for distributing this subsidy, because every time the Ramzan subsidy goes out, we see women standing in queues, utility stores that have red tapeism, transparency issues, come up with a new idea. So the new idea only could have been digital payments for targeted subsidy. Now, as soon as we said digital payments, there were like 20,000 reasons why not to do it. You're talking about women from the lowest of the lowest economic strata. You're talking about women in the rural areas, in far-flung areas, no connectivity, no smartphones. You know, a lot of pushback. But thanks to the overall effort, industry came in, PTA came in, NADRA came in, BISP came in. But the Prime Minister stood his ground. He said, nothing doing is digital payments. And that's when everybody got together. Within a month, we had over 800,000 women making digital wallets. This year in the Ramzan package, it was 16 billion rupees last time. This year we disbursed 38 billion rupees through digital wallets and digital payments to all these women of BISP, which was a huge achievement. Now we have this year we gave about 10 million free of cost SIMs and open digital wallets for 10 million women in the country so that they become part of digital economy. So the point of telling you this is that we're trying to do away with ad hoc programs and make the whole system structurally, reimagine the whole system, the digital economy and digital governance in a way that it becomes an automatic, the mainstreaming of women does not become an issue that we're looking at, but a natural process like it is for everyone else. And therefore, institutionalizing education systems like these, training teachers and instructors who can create a cascading impact on the larger training is absolutely critical. And that is how I believe that this particular program is adding value to the system and will ensure that more and more women and girls become part of this larger digital ecosystem that has moved beyond being a singular sector or a standalone technology arena that we used to look at, but has actually become the underlying enabler of economy, of knowledge, of manufacturing, agri-tech, health tech, fintech. You put a tech, we've literally put tech behind every single indicator that we used to do.